Well, I wanted to bring you along with a little bit of behind the scenes today. So I know how much you adore seeing some of my outfits, and this one particularly is gorgeous. Very festive for the season, but also I just thought you'd love to have a little behind the scenes video with it. So let me tell you about what it is I'm doing today. I am filming a new series. It's a kidnapping series because I know that you all want to be kidnapped and held as my little captives. And it starts off with a lovely scene in a little restaurant. Restaurant here. So we had the table set up for it. And a very awkward date with a surgeon who likes to wear latex gloves at the dinner table. Of course, who doesn't want to wear latex gloves at the dinner table? I'm just going to slip these on for you. This is her first, well, really it should be a red flag for our delightful datee, but I don't think it's going to be a red flag, do you? So then they go on this date, which I can assure you is going to end up in some sort of surgery for our poor datee. Well, he's sitting there spending far too much time, I think, just noticing her shoes dangling from her feet. Just move them around a bit so you can see them. Just dangling like so. Those gorgeous spotted nylons that are so beautifully fitted. They've got like little velvet buttons of fluff on them. So gorgeous. So that should really be quite a red flag that he's sitting at dinner with a beautiful woman who's now placed latex gloves on. But do you think so? Probably not. We move on. And then at dinner, I produce this delightful little box telling him that as a surgeon, I much prefer to cut my steak with a scalpel. Who doesn't? I like to dissect my meat, if you know what I mean. So I think that's really brilliant. So that's the next scene in it. So this scene this morning was all about the restaurant. I will also do some other angles of these gorgeous pantyhose because they are so cute. And then the next couple of scenes in that video are probably not so much your style. They are surgical scenes. So there'll be a surgical scene where I think I alter his teeth and his jawline to be the perfect chiseled face for a boyfriend. I'm basically making my perfect man. And then the next scene is, what do I do? Oh, I'm messing around with his amygdala, so a bit of brain power there as well. I'm making his emotions so that the only woman in the world he could ever see or ever dream of wanting would be me. But honestly, I don't need to do that surgery, do I? Put down in the comments if you would just love to be on a date with me anyway. I wouldn't have to mess with your brain to get you there, hypnotise you, any such thing. All right, well, let me show you some other gorgeous angles of these beautiful, beautiful pantyhose, and we shall go from there. Hello there and welcome, welcome. I would like to say a big, huge thank you for being here today. Thank you for being part of my little community. And if you're not part of it yet, please do like and subscribe. I would absolutely love that. But more importantly than liking and subscribing, please leave me a comment if you enjoyed this video. If you think that this video is a bit of you and maybe you just love leather gloves, you can even just comment leather gloves. If you got all the way to the end and you'd like to show me that you managed to stick it out, then please do pop leather gloves down in the description. No, in the comments. I do it every time. Also, if you enjoy my voice, my sultry, sexy, sleepy voice, then why don't you use one of my subscription pages? There is an audio story page, there is a couple of subscription pages which I will allow you to just look up. We don't need to talk about it. I'm sure if you know, you know. And you can find those in my link tree in my profile. So again, thank you so much for being here, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please, please let me know in the comments. Mwah. Thank you so, so, so much.